Hello and welcome back to the GCP-Mindset channel. Today we'll take a look at some interesting pharma facts. More after the intro. The world is full of interesting facts you may never even have thought of. Therefore, today we would like to present to you some of these facts. Let's start with fact number 1, starting with a question. What does the most expensive drug in the world cost? Any idea? Will it be 10,000, 100,000, or even more than 1 billion euros? Have you thought about it? It costs more than 2 million euros for one single dose. The name of the drug is Zolgensma and is produced by Novartis. It's a drug used to treat babies and young children with rare and often fatal degenerative disorders called spinal muscular atrophy, or simply SMA. Babies born with the most severe form of SMA type 1 have a life expectancy of only 2 years. Hence, this life-saving drug can help to halt its progression. SMA symptoms normally include a loss of movement, muscle weakness, and paralysis, and is the leading genetic cause of death in infants. It seems expensive, but life depends on it, therefore it's worth every cent. Let's get to fact number 2. Health is arguably for humans the most valuable thing for all humanity. Hence, it's not that surprising that the pharmaceutical industry makes large sales. How much? Take a guess. In 2018, the global pharmaceutical market made over 1 trillion euros on sales. That's more than the entire gross domestic products of Netherlands, Switzerland, or Saudi Arabia. Let's get to fact number 3. Developing a drug usually takes a long time, sometimes up to 12 years. Initially, thousands of developed substances are discarded early because they turn out to be ineffective or dangerous. So how many substances do you think are typically assessed initially, the first steps of clinical development of a new drug? Out of 10,000 molecules that could be considered as active ingredients at the beginning of drug development, only one lucky substance usually manages to successfully complete the official approval process and can enter the market. Welcome to fact number 4. Everyone knows McDonald's with its 1.9 million employees. There's one around the corner in every big city. But the large pharmaceutical companies also have several employees. Who do you reckon has the most number of employees? It's Novartis with over 100,000 employees and also is one of the top-selling pharmaceutical companies in the world. Roche also has similar number of employees. Therefore, both companies are in the head-to-head race for the highest sales and the most number of employees. In terms of pure sales of prescription drugs, however, Roche is the largest pharmaceutical company in the world. By the way, both of these companies are based in Switzerland. Let's come to our last fact. Fact number 5. Louisiana was the first state in the US to require pharmacists to be licensed, and in 1816 the French immigrant Louis de Filot Jr. became the first licensed pharmacist. He opened his own pharmacy in 1823 in New Orleans, where he offered traditional medications as well as voodoo remedies, leeches, and opium. Imagine what would happen today if a pharmacy offered such products over the counter. We hope you enjoyed the video and you learned some interesting pharma facts. Stay healthy and see you next time. Goodbye. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.